Hello! Today I'm going to guide you through the setup and usage of the Caring Mill Professional Earwax Removal Kit. Let's get started. Inside the kit, you'll find a professional electric ear irrigator, a charger and cord, Made in America eardrops, 3 reusable safety tips, and a catch basin. Now let's set up the kit for use. First, connect the water cup to the bottom of the irrigator. You should feel it snap into place. Next, charge the irrigator by removing the silicone plug and connecting the charger. You'll know it's charging as the 3 buttons on the irrigator will light up and the top will blink. It only takes 15 minutes to charge. Next, connect the safety tip to the irrigation neck and the neck to the body of the irrigator by pushing down. Fill the water cup with warm water by opening the small latch on the back of the irrigator. Now you're ready. Do a quick test in the sink by pushing the on button. Push the mode button below the on button for fast, slow, or pulsate. Grab the eardrops and tilt your head 45 degrees so the blockage side is pointing up. Squeeze 5 to 10 drops into your ear and let it soak for 2 to 3 minutes to soften. Place the tip in your ear until you can't go any further and turn the on button. Place the catch basin on your shoulder under the ear to catch the earwax, drops, and water. And there you have it. If you have any further questions or need any additional guidance, please don't hesitate to reach out.